Hello. All right. So I am walking here. I guess this is the beginning of 4th Avenue. No, 4th Avenue. I'm at 4th Avenue and 12. And so DOT is planning to change this bike lane here to a two-way bike lane that will ultimately connect Union Square to the Brooklyn Bridge via a safe and protected bike lane. Along with it will come lots of pedestrian upgrades as well, which will allow pedestrians more safety on the streets of New York. It's wonderful. So there are also, and in the update, so DOT came to Community Board 2, they made an update on the 28th, on Tuesday the 28th, and they said they're also going to fix this interchange here on the bike lane. So that way, see how dangerous it is? See how weird it is? And the light cycle, all that, like, it kind of affects everything. They're going to upgrade this so that way it makes more sense for pedestrians and cyclists, and it is, going to be safer for everyone. So see how this guy, he had to get out of the lane, he had to get out of the bike lane early so that way he could go down Broadway. It's like, it doesn't even make sense. So that is wonderful. Here I am, I'm going up Broadway. Look how gorgeous this pedestrianization of Union Square is. I mean, yeah, it's hard to understate how great this is. And I mean, I really appreciate it. It's freaking wonderful. Oh wow, I wonder why everybody's lining up. All right, so here we are, 18th Street. I'm just gonna wait on the other side of the crosswalk. And some of these streets, I feel like they should dead end, or at least there's, dead end them a little bit, or they should like do some like delivery time. So, these side streets don't look like a construction zone. I don't know. What do you guys think? So you have the delivery workers don't want to always obey the rules.
Yeah.
No, I mean, nobody obeys the rules in New York. Who are we kidding? And I mean, literally nobody. So, half the time it's because they don't understand what the rules are, and the other half of the time we're just not obeying them. So, like right now, I'm gonna make this left because it's safer for me to make the left. Look at this, it looks like a construction zone every day. In no other, like when I go to Netherlands or Switzerland in the middle of the week, it does not look like a construction zone during the day. They do their deliveries and all that other stuff during the night. And I will say, much of their infrastructure is upgraded. So much of their infrastructure in these Western European countries and Asia is upgraded already. So what happens is people are, they don't have, people at all hours of the day. Like, you got like massive trucks parked all over everything, everywhere. Everything, it looks terrible, honestly. And it looks terrible, and it doesn't feel safe. And that's kind of the point, is aesthetics matter. Look at this guy. He doesn't know how to drive. He don't know how to drive. Like, they gave him a license even though he doesn't know how to drive. I don't understand that. Like, oh, we can't see, we can't react, we can't drive, we're not physically capable, but then they give him a license anyway. I'm like, what are you doing? Okay, what's going on here? Sometimes I get nervous around Amazon sometimes because I don't understand often.
Watch out.
Use the crosswalk. I don't understand what's people, they don't want to use the crosswalk. Oh, maybe he had his car parked there. Either way. All right, here I am. Look at this, it's so beautiful today. It's not hot, it's basically cool outside. It's not cold, it's cool, but it's absolutely beautiful. And I love it. See, even the Amazon, they don't want to obey the law. Instead of just waiting on the sidewalk or on the pedestrian island, I'm just going to stand in the middle of the street and make everybody else have to swerve around. All right, lovely Herald Square. Look at all these beautiful buildings. Yes, congratulations to Carl Wilson, who won for city council recently, District 3. I think might be District 5, but either way, he won, and yeah, okay, that's what I thought. Okay, that's what I see. He won. Congrats to Carl Wilson. And him and Eric Botcher and Keith Powers were big proponents of the MSMX rezoning plan, which would add more housing and more affordable housing in Midtown Manhattan. And I live in this area, and I support it 100%, 1000%. And so I am absolutely thrilled. So yeah, on my block, they got, I think, at least maybe one or two new buildings being converted from businesses into housing already. So I'm loving that. All right, so this is 38th Street bike lane. They're gonna eventually be widening it. They got the city council approval the community board approval 2 years ago, and they still haven't done it. And that's because Eric Adams is so incompetent that he didn't want to do anything at all. And I'm like, dude, what's going on? He was too busy being corrupt and not governing. Look at this. This is ugly. You got a lot of these beautiful buildings all day long. People are either stuck in traffic and backed up behind one massive vehicle after another. Ridiculous. I don't see that in any other country, only in America. Only in America. In any case, yeah, so make sure you tell your community board that too in Manhattan, you know, if you're like riding through that district, you go to Union Square, you take the M train, you take the green train, you take the L train, that you support the two-way protected bike lane on Lafayette. And all right, well, have a wonderful day, and yeah, ciao ciao.